What's up everyone? Have you ever wondered how you can get less wind noise when you're trying to record your footage out on a windy day? Well, I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way here how you can reduce that wind noise without putting a big external mic on your camera and without having to use one of these lavalier mics where you're limited to this cord. Now, this is going to be good if, say, you forget your microphone and you're recording with a DSLR or something on a windy day, or let's say you don't want to be the only one in the recording with one of these lavalier mics and you're just out recording, say, your family running around the yard or whatever, and like I said, you don't have an external mic. I'm going to show you guys an easier way to do this, and that's going to be with this Rycote windjammer kit. And I bought this thing on B&H Photo Video for 13 bucks and it had free shipping. And what this thing is basically a little furry dead cat covers that covers your microphone hole on your DSLR or on any camera at that matter, as long as it has a small hole for the microphone that's not surrounded by too much other things. You can go ahead and stick one of these on there and it's going to help you with the wind noise. Right now I'm using a lavalier mic and it's plugged into my DSLR with this cable, so I'm kind of limited here to maybe about 15 feet for now. I do have the dead cat cover on the lavalier mic, and it's definitely a windy day. You guys can see this tree in the background here moving all around. It's pretty windy out today, so that's why I chose today to do this video, so that I could show you guys a demonstration of each. Now, I'm going to show you guys what kind of footage you can get with the lavalier mic with the dead cat on. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the lavalier mic. Them guys always shooting at the gun club. It's not even Sunday. Usually they only shoot on Sundays. Drives me nuts. Every time I start recording a video, they start shooting. Okay, so I'm going to unplug the lavalier mic from the DSLR, let you guys hear the wind noise that I get just from the camera itself. Then I'm going to go ahead and install these onto the camera and see if it cuts down on the wind noise at all. So I'm going to go ahead here and unplug the mic. Now, this is just the audio from the Canon 70D DSLR with no external mic plugged in, no wind reduction on in the settings, and it's just recording straight out of the camera. And I'm going to go ahead and let it go here for a few seconds. That way you guys can see if hopefully it's picking up some of the wind noise. And yeah, there goes a pretty good gust there, so it should show you guys. Now, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and tell you guys a little bit more about this. Alright, so I got the lavalier mic plugged back in. Now, I paid $13 on B&H Photo Video for it. Let me see, let me get the receipt here. The model number is RYMWCCS, and the part number is 065546. I believe the 065546 is what you're going to want to search for either on Amazon or Google or whatever. I think that's how I found it, and I found that B&H actually had it the cheapest with free shipping. So what you get in this kit, basically you get 30 of these little sticky back tabs. They're double-sided and sticky on both sides, and they're about the size of a nickel. So just to give you guys an example how big they are. And then the hole in the center, that's where your microphone would be. It's bigger than a pencil eraser, maybe 10 millimeter or so. So you'll get 30 of those, and they peel off pretty easily. So once you put them on the camera, you won't have a problem getting them off. They might actually come off by themselves depending on what you're doing. So you get 30 of those, and you also get 6 of these little guys here. And basically, it's just a kind of like a felt back, and has the fur sticking out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I attach these to my DSLR and try to see if it cuts down on the wind noise. And one other thing, you could stick these on a GoPro, like my GoPro here. It's a Hero 5. It has a rubberized case. They seem to stick okay. I mean, it doesn't stick on there super good, but you'll see here that if you put one on top where the microphone is, it actually covers the on and off button a little bit. You could still use that and still access that, but yeah, that's about the size there. So if you wanted to stick one there, and they'll wrap around good on it too, so if you wanted to stick one on the side here, you could put one there. You just got to make sure that the fur is not going to cover the screen. So you're kind of limited a little bit where you could put these guys at, but I think it would definitely help out. And keep in mind, if you put these on the GoPro like the Hero 5 I have, you're probably going to need to take these off to fit it in the case. So if I end up putting them on here and figuring out a good combination, I'll go ahead and make a video for this, and hopefully it'll help some of you guys out with some wind noise on your GoPros. And pretty much this is the first day that I've used this lavalier mic in the wind, so give me a comment, guys, below. Let me know what you think with the lavalier mic versus the Rycote versus just the audio coming straight out of the camera. And if you have an external mic with a dead cat on it, please let me know if it makes it sound a lot better than this in the comments below. And if you haven't done so yet, guys, please subscribe and please hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future updates, tips, or tutorials on camera gear, drone videos, drone tutorials, and just a lot of other cool things that I think that you guys should know about. So check out some other videos, guys. Check out some of my playlists. You might find a lot of good content in there that pertains to you guys. Yeah, the wind's really picking up now, so I'm going to go ahead and get these on here before the rain comes. We got a storm rolling in, and show you how these things work here. There's a quick little instruction guide on the back. Pretty much just shows you sticking the double-sided tape on and then sticking these on over. I'm gonna go ahead over and switch to my iPhone now and start recording with that and show you guys how I'm gonna go ahead and stick these on there. All right, guys, so basically what you wanna do is you wanna peel the sticky back off of here, double-sided stickiness, and you want to go ahead and attach it. You'll see the microphone on the Canon 70D is right here on each side of the hot shoe mount, and you'll notice where the flash pops up. I'm very limited where I can put this thing, but it does wrap around, you know, nicely, conforms to your camera pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead, and I already cleaned this up with some rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to put this on here. Just be careful not to cover the microphone holes with the sticky pad. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around there, push it on really good, and then I'm going to peel off the cover, and you'll see there it's just pretty much like a double-sided 3M tape. And like I said, they come off pretty easy. They don't leave any residue on the camera. So once you get that on there, then you want to take your little dead cat furry cover, and these are a little bigger than the sticky back thing. So you just want to go ahead and stick that on there like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other side. Now on this other side, you'll see here, guys, that I got the Doppler dial, or whatever it's called here, to adjust your focus on your eyepiece. Once you have that set, you really don't have to mess with that, so I'm not too worried about covering that up. You could cut this a little bit and angle it to clear that, but I'm just going to put that on there right about like that, just so it clears the flash if I have to use the flash or the hot shoe mount, and just so I'm not covering up any of those holes there. So go ahead and stick that on there real good, pull the cover off. I'm going to grab another one of the furry covers, stick it on there, and there you have it. It's over top of each of the microphones, and gonna get this turned back around. All right, guys, so I got them installed on the camera. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug the microphone again and see how it sounds. All right, now this is without the lavalier mic plugged in, just the audio from the camera from the 70D with the Rycote windjammers installed, and they look pretty funny. They kind of look like eyebrows. But all right, guys, so comment below, let me know what you think. Just recording straight out of the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it go here for a few seconds. That way you guys can see if hopefully it's picking up some of the wind noise, and there goes pretty good gust there, so it should show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in, and here it is with the Rycote Micro windjammers installed. So I'd appreciate it, guys, if you comment below. Let me know if it sounds any different or not. Hopefully it cut down on that wind noise. All right, back to the lavalier mic. So yeah, guys, hopefully it cut down on that wind noise. I hope you found this helpful. And for 13 bucks, I think, hey, why not? Give it a try, guys. It might help you out without having to purchase that external mic. And if you guys haven't done so yet, please subscribe. I enjoy all my new subscribers and interacting with you guys, so please comment. Please click on that bell notification. That way you won't miss any of my future tutorials, tips, or tech reviews. I'll have some coming up on the Canon 70D, some photo tips and tricks, videos, just a lot of different things, guys. A lot of different content on my channel. Please check out some of my playlists and some other videos. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys again soon on some other videos.